Namaste, I am CA Praveen Kumar, Director of planetFINANCE Business School, High Tech City, Hyderabad. In the last 1.5 years, we are seeing so many IPOs coming into the market for raising the fund from the public. That is called primary market. So I have done the video on Hyundai Motors Corporation, and I have done the video on Adani, and I have done the video on other companies who are coming for IPO. But later I realized if I am making the videos and people are watching, they will think I am knowledgeable. Of course, I am knowledgeable, but as a faculty, as a director, my objective is to make students knowledgeable. So it is not that I am knowledgeable, please come and join our B school. It is not like that. It is like I will make you knowledgeable, you can join the PGDM with us and you will also become knowledgeable. That is the idea which you wanted to create among the public. So in the same plan, what I have done is, I made students to prepare the IPO report of each company so that they will be able to share their knowledge, how they are able to perform in front of camera and how they are able to share their knowledge with you will be helpful for the audience. Okay. Today we have with us Mr. Jhashkesh Reddy from Patancheru, Hyderabad, who is our PGDM first year student. He is going to explain about the pros and cons of India's most awaited IPO, Swiggy. Can we order Swiggy? Or can we cancel the order in Swiggy? What is the situation? What is the solution? We are going to learn in next 5 minutes time. Jhashkesh, when somebody says Swiggy, what comes to our mind is Swiggy is into food delivery business. You can download the app, order the food, you will get the food.
Yes.
Do they have any other businesses, or this is the only business what Swiggy has?
Usually the Swiggy has 4 business verticals. Let us understand those 4 business verticals first. One is Instamart. Instamart, it is usually a grocery delivery platform. One is food delivery. It is where we usually order from it, wherein we get the food order directly from the seller. And one it is Jenny. It is a pick up and drop business, wherein the usual, it is a consumer to consumer, C2C business.
That is like Donzo,
yes.
Oh, fine, continue.
And another one is Dine Out, wherein we can book restaurants, reserve restaurants, which are partnered to Swiggy only.
So what is the benefit if we book in Swiggy, if we are going to restaurant for booking a table? We will get this.
Usually when people go through Dine Out process in the Swiggy business, usually the waiting period, the coupons and the discounts on the food bill, the people who are booking through Dine Out, they can enjoy these benefits.
So I mean to say, if I am a Swiggy customer, I am going to X restaurant. If normally the food cost is 100, if I go through Swiggy, it will cost 90 rupees. I will get some discount.
Yes.
In that 90, Swiggy also will get some profit and the restaurant will also get some profit.
Yes, because of the reference they have given, that is the commission they have earned.
See audience, 10 years back, Swiggy promoters were standing in front of the restaurant, we will help you to increase your sales. We are standing outside your restaurant. Whatever the profit the restaurant makes, you give us some 20% or 30%. Swiggy becomes so bigger ki now whoever is going to that restaurant or directly also Swiggy is asking for the share. This is what is the business they have developed in the last 10 years. Hope you understand. What are the issue dates of this Swiggy?
Swiggy important IPO dates are November 6 to 8, that issue date, where in November 6th to 8, these 3 days we can apply for the Swiggy shares. We can go for application of Swiggy shares. And after that, November 11th is the basis of allotment, wherein the company goes through the process of allotting the shares.
You can say Dutch auction prices, Dutch auction method, which we discussed in the class.
Yes, based on the price band given, the demand the consumers will give, based on the Dutch price option, we will get the shares issued.
What is the price band of this company?
Price band of this issue is 371 to 390 rupees. The lower band is 371 rupees.
Swiggy was planning to come to IPO around 2.5-3 years back, but their competitor Zomato has come for IPO, which was a flop. Swiggy also took the back step and decided to postpone the issue for longer time. Now the market is at all-time high. Swiggy has decided to come for IPO.
The other one is November 11th, wherein the basis of allotment is done. After the 11th November 12th, wherein the process of credit of shares and the refund is being done to the public. Whoever have not been credited with the shares will get the refund of the issue. At least 15,000 is the per lot.
Per lot, minimum.
Minimum.
You can't apply for 10,000 rupees or 12,000 rupees or one shares. you have to apply for minimum 15,000 rupees worth of shares. That is called lot size in the IPO. There is a proposal that SEBI should reduce it to 10,000 also, but this proposal is for the long pending. What is issue size of this IPO?
The issue size is 11,300 crores.
Bah, huge.
Huge. Under this,
Very big issue.
under this, fresh issue is up to 4,500 crores of 11.5 crore shares. And when it comes to offer for sale, wherein the existing promoters will sell their shares to the public.
So understand, every IPO, every startup IPO is an opportunity for existing PE funds or promoters to make the huge money out of it. So I don't say it is always wrong, but I would say that it is an opportunity. They are making money by selling their percentage to the public. Okay. One reason may be that the growth phase of the company is at the peak, where they don't see further growth like history, then they will dump the shares on the public. This is normally happens when the company is planning for IPO. So there was a saying, no, after the IPO, promoters have the money, public have the vision about the company future prospects. Can you take us to the valuation of Swiggy? How is the profitability? How they are 2023 sales and profits and 2024 sales and profits?
The valuations at the upper price band, which is 291 rupees, is valued at 87,000 crores.
Oh, for whole company.
For whole company after the issue proceeds.
Market cap. So if the company lists at a higher band, the valuation of the company will be 87,000 crores. I think it is almost same at what DMart got listed some 5-6 years back. So what is the profitability and sales for Swiggy in the last 2 years?
Let us understand the financials of the Swiggy first, wherein year on year revenue has increased to 36% to 11,600 crores. When it comes to net profitability, it is a concerning thing wherein the loss is still there, net loss is still there, even though it is narrowed from 4,200 crores in previous year to 2,300 crores in current year, but it is still a loss, net loss.
But loss making company is coming to public issue. Is it possible? 100% yes, that's what I was telling you. If the company is making profits and all, satisfying 4 conditions of profits, return on assets and the distributable dividend, they can make the public issue under rule 6.1, regulation number 6.1. And I think this is 6.1 issue or 6.2 issue?
Under ICDR SEBI, regulation 6, sub-regulation 2.
2, because Swiggy, as he was telling, it was loss making company and it is still coming to public issue. Sir, loss making company making public issue, no, that is people will make losses, no, nothing like that. Company cannot be valued by seeing the profits or losses. We have to see how bigger they created the market. Okay, so they may turn to profitability in 1 or 2 years, but that will be too late for investors to buy because the company will increase their stock price or the valuations of the company will zoom in the long term. Okay, how the company is going to use the proceeds of this IPO? Like as he was telling, around 11,000 crores, only 4,000 crores is the fresh issue. That money will go to company balance sheet. Balance 7,000 crores will go to the promoters. Promoters can spend whatever the way they want. So when I am talking about how company is going to use the proceeds of the IPO, I am talking about only 4,000 crores. So what is the plan, how they are going to use these proceeds of the IPO?
The plan is to use this issue proceeds is to develop their subsidiary company, a logistic company, Scootsie, which is named after that. It is a delivery platform which is usually helps in the genie business of the Swiggy.
What is genie business? Like Dunzo you said?
Pick up and drop. Pick up
and drop like Dunzo.
Yes.
That business they wanted to enhance, develop.
Logistic
For that
business.
they are going to invest 4,000 crores. And for your information, that same facility is available with other apps also like Dunzo or what is that, Uber, Ola, Rapido. So how the competition is going to be, how they will turn this into profits. For example, how customer will be looking at these products is they will have all the 4 apps in the mobile. They will check from location A to location A how much it costs in app A, and he will check in app B and app C and app D. Whichever is lowest, he will book that. So in that case, it is quite easy for a customer to choose between A, B, C, D. How they are going to turn this into profitability in the long term, how these delivery apps will make money, we need to wait and watch. Thank you very much, Jhashkesh Reddy.
Nice.
And he is our first year student, and soon he is going to get his job, maybe by this May or June. All the best and see you soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I am not a SEBI registered person or an analyst. the opinions and the views are based on my individual analysis. You should pick the stock based on your individual analysis only.